Hello everyone, Sam is here from my forexmagicweb.com making this video about gold. So let's get started. Gold analysis. This is the chart I made last year in August 17th. Today we are talking about 11th August 2019, right? So almost a year ago. This is the chart I made, pointing here. Final target was here, right? And we are right now around this 1477. Let's see how we went there step by step. This was my first chart, then we went here and then dip a little bit here, 1264. So I said, okay, we're gonna either bounce from here and go to 1477 or drop a little bit more, 1226, and then go to this area. But we went straight forward from where we were, right? Exactly 1264. Look at where we are on the 10th August 2019. Okay. 1477 is gone. My final target is, for wave 3 would be 127 level and 61% of the total drop. But here we got stopped because the channel TL hit. Okay, so when the market opens up, we may retrace a little bit before going further to the upside. So be careful. Okay, we might go. The final target is still there. So that's what the gold is, and this is how the weekly chart looked like. The weekly chart, I made this on a few months ago in April, 27th April, when we were here, and I said pointing towards this area, 100% first target, then 27 would be the next target. So now we are at the first target, 100%. That's where the channel finished here. This is how the monthly chart looks like, and a little more to go to 1.6 minute of this drop here. Okay, so this is how beautiful it is. If you have the right analysis, then you can just simply take entries, whatever the system you're using, either my Magic IB system or something else, right? But you can take systematic entries in that direction. Similarly, I have charts with everything like that made, and they are doing perfectly fine. For example, I just give you one example. Most common pair, pound USD. Pound USD monthly chart I made last year in February. Now it's August 2019, so a year and a half ago. I made the chart when we were here at 42.37, and I'm pointing all my mumbo jumbo here, calculation, Elliott wave, and all that, harmonic patterns. This is the target here, all along 90. Right, so it's a long distance, and a lot of people laughed at me at that time. So that's okay. But what happened to this chart as of today? It is. Let me see if here we are. From here, exactly where I said that we're gonna stop and move. My chart was like we may go up to the blue teal, may not. That was a gray area. So if you make a turn from here, you start taking shorts, and then short. From 42, we are now at 20. 42.30 to 20 means 2200 pips so far. We drop here, we went up a little bit, testing this number, fail, drop. Right? And powerfully we're dropping, and with any luck, I will probably get my target. I might take another year. Right, but yeah, that's the long distance target. And then don't get me wrong, you go up and down and up and down. A lot of times you will go up for weeks, like just this one here, right? So there was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 weeks to the upside, and then start to come down again. And between that, even within a week, sometimes what happens is that you drop 3 nights and then you retrace a couple of days, right? So that happens, and you have to have a strategy or a system that you can take the entries from. Weekly and monthly charts are only for a bigger picture, long-term direction, like this one, right? So this is how it is. And if you want to get these charts, and I do webinars Sunday and Wednesday, 4 p.m. Eastern time. And then that's where I make these charts, whatever the setups are available. I go over with them and with my subscribers and explain them how to use Magic Average system to make entries when those setups are available. But longer term charts, monthly charts, weekly charts, they are very important to have the analysis for the direction, which direction we're going. Okay, so if you want to be a part of it, just go on my website and subscribe and start trading. This is today is what, Saturday is gone, tomorrow is Sunday, and Monday the week starts again. We are getting into the busy time again. June, July was the slowest time, which is already behind us, and now 1 week of August is already gone. So time will, the schools are about to open, and then volume will come back. It is already coming back. So and then we're having big moves now, and it will increase more. Daily range will increase more. So this is it for now, and thanks for watching, and have a wonderful rest of the week. And